it's Lynn from LA Plans, and today I will be sharing inside the Cloth and Paper September stationery subscription box. Alright, so first item that you see in this box is this large quote dashboard. I don't really know what you would call it. There was something similar in the last subscription box, and they included another one this month, so I've just been using it as core, but I've seen people cut it down to put it into their agenda or on their notebook or in a binder or framing it. So there's so many different things you can do with it. I've just been putting it on my clipboard, so I'm going to do that with this one as well. And then next item in the box is the November 2021 style vertical weekly inserts. So these have been coming in all of the subscription boxes since I think July, I want to say. So I've just been using these for project management. So we have these. Next item in the box are these half-page task inserts. These are my favorite note-taking inserts. I actually just ordered some last night, so I'm really excited to try out the half-page inserts so you can put them in between pages and really use them throughout your planner without having like a full note page. You can really take lists on here. So I'm really excited to try this out, and I'll probably use this in all of my agendas. And then there is a whole new insert. So this is the first ever inbox inserts. So it has the same icons as the current inbox dashboard, and I will put these in my agenda with y'all after I go through all the new items and show y'all how I'm going to use these. But they have the same icons, and then you just have boxes so you can manage anything going into your inbox and then check them off once they're completed. And these are front and back, so I'm really excited to try these out and use these with my inbox dashboard. After that, you have probably my favorite item in the entire box, and the reason why I didn't cancel my subscription. So I've been going back and forth, and I spoke with a lot of y'all, and y'all are the same way about canceling my subscription. I do the 3-month, so every 3 months I'm kind of contemplating whether or not I want to cancel, and there's always just one item that I'm like, nope, I want that right away, and I want that now. But this is the new dry erase inbox dashboard, and I'm so excited for this. So this is similar to the previous inbox dashboard that they had before, the one with the icons and the more minimal design that was always sold out. That's the one I really wanted. So I'm really excited that we have this in the dry erase option. So I'm going to put this in my main agenda. I already cleared room for it when I saw the sneak peek. So I will also put this in my agenda so y'all can see what it looks like at the end of the video as well. After that, we have the changes dashboard. So this is kind of like their cotton color. I'm honestly not a huge fan because it's like a pinkish purple color, and I'm not a pink or purple person. So I'm probably going to destash this, but it is really cute. If it was black, I probably would have kept it, but it just has changes, and then it has just like all this like detail in it, and it's just really, it's cute, but I'm probably just going to destash it because I won't use it because I like sticking with like black and white in my agenda. So we have this, and then after that there is the November month cover dashboard. So this has been coming in all of the boxes as well, I think since August as well. So I use these in my content section so I can organize my weeks, and I really like these. So I really hope that they come out with similar dashboards, like the frosted dashboards for the upcoming year, because I really love having these in here and organizing with these dashboards. After that, you have the fall and winter 2020 magazine dashboard. I really love this. I think it's cute. I'm probably going to use these with my capsule wardrobes because I think that really goes well together with the magazine style dashboard. So you have this. You can also use this as an inbox. I've seen a lot of people use this as an inbox. So there's that. And then after that, we have all new accessories. So this box like really hits the mark. Like I haven't loved a box. This is probably one of my favorite boxes from Cloth and Paper. I think they did such a great job on this one. So next is this memo pad. And so this says that it's the linen color, but again, I think this is more of the cotton color because it's like that pink and purple. It matches the dashboard, and then it matches something else that's in the box as well. But this is a 4x6 notepad, and then it comes with 50 sheets. And the reason why I say this isn't linen is because of the next item, and that is the linen circle sticky notes. So as you can see, these are clearly not the same color. And this is what I think of when I think of linen. I don't think of this. So I think this is more of like their cotton color. But here is these two items, and I'm really excited for these linen circles. And then after that, we have 2 new dot stickers. So on the description on the card, it says you can never go wrong with a little black dot. So these are transparent, and I have these in the drops and just love these. I think these are so cute. So you have 2 new stickers. And then after that, you have your journaling cards. So this box comes with 4. So you have the month view November 2020 clear card. You have the matte card, and then you have an inbox 0 card, which I think is really cute. I'm gonna put this in the front of my agenda. And then you have an Aisha Tyler quote card, which I absolutely love her. So, and this quote. So we have all of these, and then that is everything in this box. And so I'm gonna share how I'm using everything. The only thing I'm destashing is gonna be that changes dashboard. I'm gonna keep everything else. I might even keep that dashboard since it's just one item, and see if maybe I'll change my mind somewhere down the road. We'll see. But I'm gonna grab my main agenda. And so when I saw the sneak peek of the new inbox dashboard, I rearranged my agenda. So I'm going to put the new inbox in my main agenda. And so I just love like the glass feel. I think this is so pretty. Again, I'm not going to use this as a dry erase board. I'm definitely only going to use sticky notes on here. And speaking of which, let's put one of the linen circles sticky notes on here so you can see that. And then I'm probably going to throw these back here because I really love this color. So we're going to keep them close by. So we have those, and then let's see what else. All right, and then for the November dashboard, I'm going to put that in my blog section. So I have the project section. I'm currently using this as my content planning section, and this is eventually going to get its own agenda. I ordered a new agenda from Cloth and Paper, so that's going to be all for content planning. So this is eventually all going to move out, but for now I have all the dashboards under my weekly planner, and so y'all can see how I use them. So I have the one that came in probably the July subscription box, and I just buy my weekly inserts that I use for content planning, and then I just have one for each month, and I just love how simple and minimal these are. So we have October, and then all my November weekly inserts will go behind here. So we have those. And then for the magazine style dashboard, I'm going to use that in my content planning section as well. For now, I think I'm just going to throw it, I'm actually going to put it here with the weekly vertical inserts, and we're going to do move the October and add November behind here as well. So here are the November inserts, and then here's everything kind of layered together. So for now, those are going to go there, and then I don't think there's anything else that I really want to add. So I'm going to move this agenda out now that I have everything in there. And then I have my work agenda, and so I have an inbox section here, and so here is the current inbox dashboard, and so y'all can see these match perfectly. So I'm actually going to throw these in here because I'm going to use these together. So I'm going to grab 2, and I'm going to put those in my work agenda, and then I'm also going to grab my finance agenda, and I have the same dashboard in here. And we're going to throw that in here as well. So here is the inbox. And then I'm going to put these behind here. That way y'all can see these without, layered together without anything else on here. So this is what they look like. I think these are really cute. So what I'm probably going to do is color coordinate these icons and then use transparent dots to cover up. Like this one is going to be for incoming mail. This one's going to be for sending things out. This one's going to be for reminders. And then this one's just going to be for miscellaneous. But that's probably how I'm going to use these. And then other than that, I have been using these cards as no spend trackers since I've been doing no spends. So I like to just highlight the days that I do spend money instead of like highlighting the days that I don't spend money. So that's how I've been using these. And I'm going to do the exact same thing for this upcoming month. And then for these cards, I really wish that they fit inside of the A5 business card holder. They're just a little too big, so let's put that back. But I'm gonna use these just for decoration and add them somewhere. But other than that, that is everything that came in the September subscription box from Cloth and Paper, and that is how I'm using everything. And that is gonna be it for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching.